Hello and welcome to Monster Insights. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to set up WooCommerce conversion tracking in Google Analytics. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified when we post the next video showing you how to grow your website and reach your audience. Do you want to know how to set up WooCommerce conversion tracking in Google Analytics to optimize your store for higher conversions? To make informed decisions for optimizing your store, you'll need to enable WooCommerce conversion tracking by turning on Enhanced eCommerce in Google Analytics. Now, in this video, we're going to cover the benefits of conversion tracking, how to enable e-commerce tracking in Google Analytics, how to see your conversion data in WordPress, and finally, how to find your conversion data in Google Analytics. So let's get started. There are a lot of benefits to enabling conversion tracking in your WooCommerce store. It allows you to analyze data so you can make informed decisions and boost your conversions. So you'll have access to key performance indicator data. You'll see indicators like your e-commerce conversion rate, the average order value, shopping cart abandonment, the cost per acquisition, plus you'll get data about your customers' shopping behavior. So for example, you can find out which products are the most popular on your site, discover how customers are navigating through your store, how many users initiate a shopping cart, and how many of them abandon it as well. By setting up WooCommerce conversion tracking, you'll get data about sales performance, so you can track all the sales details, including revenue, tax, shipping, refund amount, and more. And you'll have valuable information allowing you to create a strategy for upselling, cross-selling, product bundling, and other strategies for generating more income. Plus, you can track the performance of coupon codes and sales to see what's working and what's not working on your site. Now, the best way to enable conversion tracking on your WooCommerce store is to use the Monster Insights plugin. Now, to start, you'll need to have a Monster Insights Pro license or above. You'll need to have a Google Analytics account, and you'll need to make sure that you've uninstalled any other Google Analytics plugins and removed any tracking code that you might have installed previously. Now, if you don't already have a Monster Insights account, you can quickly create one. Just go to monsterinsights.com/YTVIP to take advantage of a special deal that we've created for our YouTube viewers. Now, once you've created your account and purchased a Monster Insights Pro license or above, you'll need to download the plugin. So if you're not already logged in, just head over to monsterinsights.com and log into your Monster Insights account by clicking the login link at the top of the page. Then fill in your login details. Next, you'll need to navigate to the Monster Insights Download tab. Once you're there, just click the download link on the right side of the screen. All right, now that you've downloaded the file, you can head back to your WordPress website and log in. Once you're on your dashboard, you'll need to navigate to Plugins and then click Add New. Now you'll need to click the Upload Plugin button at the top of the page. Then click the Choose File button to select the zip file that you just downloaded from Monster Insights. Next, click the Install Now button to upload the file and install the plugin on your site. Now, as a side note, if you've previously installed Monster Insights Lite, you'll need to click the Deactivate the Lite plugin button. Then on the plugin screen, just click the Activate link right under Monster Insights. Okay, next you'll need to click the Launch the Wizard button. Then choose the option that best describes your website and click Save and Continue. Now you'll need to enter your license key. You can find your license key on your My Account page at monsterinsights.com or in your confirmation email that you received from Monster Insights when you made your purchase. Once the authenticating process is completed, just click the Connect Monster Insights button. Now on this screen, you'll need to choose the Google Analytics account that you'd like to associate with your website. Once the screen loads, click Allow to give the Monster Insights plugin access to your Google Analytics account. All right, now if you have more than one website that's associated with your Google Analytics account, you'll need to select the website that you're wanting to track with the Monster Insights plugin and click the Complete Connection button. Okay, now once the connection is finalized, you'll need to review some of the simple Monster Insights settings and then click the Save and Continue button. On the next page, you'll see a list of Pro License recommended add-ons. If you like, you can quickly review these and then click the Save and Continue button. Now on the next page, just click the skip link right at the bottom. Once Monster Insights finishes checking your site, simply click the Finish Setup and Exit Wizard button. To enable enhanced e-commerce tracking in Google Analytics, just head over to your Google Analytics account and select the website that you would like to enable enhanced tracking for. Next, click Admin in the lower left corner of your screen. Once the page loads, click eCommerce Settings under the column on the right. Now you'll see the eCommerce Setup page. So you'll need to click Enable eCommerce to turn it from off to on. Now you'll see the Enable Enhanced eCommerce reporting slider. So just go ahead and click that one as well, and it will turn it from off to on. Okay, now before leaving the page, let's just make sure that you've clicked the Save button. Perfect. You've just successfully enabled Enhanced eCommerce for WooCommerce. All right, now you need to log into your WordPress dashboard and navigate to your admin sidebar and hover your mouse over Insights. Then click Settings. Then at the top of the page, click on the eCommerce link. Once the page loads, click the Use Enhanced eCommerce slider to enable it. Now to get an overview of your WooCommerce conversion tracking data, just go to your admin sidebar and hover your mouse over Insights, then click on Reports. Then click on the eCommerce link at the top of the page. As you scroll down the page, the first thing you'll see is your eCommerce report. The first column reveals your conversion rate. Next, you'll see the number of transactions, then your total revenue, and finally your average order value. If you scroll down, you'll see your top products report. This will automatically display the best performing items, the quantity that was ordered, the percentage of your sales, and total revenue. Using this report, you'll make better decisions about the products you should be promoting to increase the amount of your sales. It'll also help you find out which of your products aren't selling as well. Next, you can see your top conversion sources for your store and the websites that are sending you the most converting traffic. And finally, you'll see the items that have been added to or removed from the shopping cart and the amount of time it took for customers to make purchases on your WooCommerce store. Okay, now to see an overview of your WooCommerce conversion tracking data, just go to your Google Analytics account and on the left side of the screen, click on Conversions. Then click on eCommerce in the drop-down menu. Now from there, you can see all of your eCommerce data. Now that's it. Now get started with the most powerful and user-friendly WordPress analytics plugin on the market. The Monster Insights plugin is trusted by more than 2 million professionals to grow their business and offers a 14-day money-back guarantee. If you enjoyed this video tutorial, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified when we post the next video. Now, in the meantime, you can follow us on Facebook and Twitter for more free tips, tricks, and tutorials for using Monster Insights in WordPress.